After so many years of trying to grow my hair, which seemed to have stopped growing, or should I say was stuck, tried and tested, or at least most of the hair products there is, I finally learned that hair is always growing, and that I was wrong to focus on hair growth. That is why if you cut all of it today, by the end of the next 2 or 3 months that follows, the scalp won't be boldly as when you last cut it. So I shifted my focus to length retention, low manipulation, low tension, and low heat. I promised myself that if I were going to see results, then it would have to be in a year or so. So I'm not surprised that I was able to retain such length in a year's time. This is not where I want my hair to be, but at least it's not where it used to be. Whoever said natural hair is not for the weak, aiziyazvaitaura kondanga ndakutochemaka but zvisinei chingopinda mbiye muzvivhanesa. Reason was I had forgotten kuti I trimmed this year a month ago, so it was giving me shege wahala maximum, like yo pepe. But braids had to be done. Yes, braids. You heard right. After a year and a half of not doing braids, I was so eager to plant them. You know, braids has a lot of chemicals, and these tend to cause damage. These chemicals, they tend to cause damage to our natural hair. So make sure you wash them before or during the time when you plant them, auntie. And before I leave you to watch the rest of the vlog, today's verse is coming from Proverbs 27 verse 17, which says, iron sharpens iron and one man sharpens another. So what is simply telling me is that life is not a me thing, it's a we thing. You get it? If you want to go fast, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. Doesn't know what this African proverb and so don't go alone. That's my advice of the day, and hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I love you. Enjoy. I still got joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense, and I won't be going under. I'm not held by my own strength, 'cause I put my life on Jesus. He's never let me down. He's faithful in every season. He's faithful in every season. So why would he fail now? He won't. There's this song that just came to my mind. It goes like, Lord, prepare me to be a sanctuary, pure and holy, tried and true. With thanksgiving, I'll be your living sanctuary, day and night. And Lord, I love you, and Lord, I need you to protect me day and night. Let me leave you guys to watch. I wanna look right at you, I wanna sing right to you, and I believe you're listening, and I believe you move by the sun. sound of my voice. I promise you this one is the last one, eh? Sweet, sweet Spirit of the Lord, flow in this place, flow in this place, taking us higher, taking us deeper. Flow in this place, flow in this place. I'll definitely put music, guys. I won't be singing. I mean, it won't be like you won't. No. What I'm saying is you won't hear it. Yes, I'm just gonna put music. Yeah, I was just enjoying, just worshiping and all that. But my hair is looking nice. Looking nice, eh? God, you're still blessing me, and you keep protecting me, even though I don't always do right thing. Oh God, you bless me with so beautiful hair, like beautiful black 4C hair.